Congratulations, Megan.
Thank you.
Job well done. What kind of emotions you feeling?
Tired. And really, really grateful. To be honest, I don't even remember none of the struggles right now. Just so grateful. I did a lot of interviews and I forgot to big up Dr. Wesley Morris, and Greg Harton, who has been there with me from 2019. Who, I mean, there's always talent, there's always the grit, there's always the determination, but I didn't know how to get it. I didn't know how to get it going forward, and they were the ones who jumped in and helped me. And this medal is as much theirs as it is mine. Big up my coaches, Matthew and Philip, Caroline, Brando, my brothers, my father, my mother-in-law, my stepmother, my whole family, Jamaica. Big up everybody. Thank you so much. Everybody who supported the journey, who bought a pillow, who bought a jacket, who bought a shirt, who bought a hat. This victory, this bronze medal is as much yours as it is mine. The journey doesn't end here, but you have exclusive rights because you supported this journey before you even knew what was possible. Thank you. I was nervous, like extremely nervous, as expected. It's an Olympic final, but I just asked God to show up for me, and that He did. I went out there and I got a good start. I didn't get left in the blocks, and I just kind of maintained the focus and did the best that I could in the middle of the race, and did my Veronica Campbell dip to the finish line, and it got me a bronze medal. So I'm grateful. Whew. It was hard. But I mean, I knew that God didn't bring me this far to leave me, and so I trusted in Him, and He showed up. I mean, as small as I am, and as probably not as talented as all the other Jamaican athletes, I have always set the bar really high for myself. So I see myself on the highest of the acme. Yeah. So yeah, I did see myself here. I do. For sure, I mean, it's all about lowering the times, getting better, getting faster, because I mean, the sky's the limit. If I'm running 12.5 now with an 11.7 PB, we'll get that down to 11.4, you know? So we just keep on working, keep on putting in the work and trusting the coach, the process, God, anything's possible. Listen, Brittany is good. Brittany is young, she's 20 years old. She made an Olympic final, first try, 12.14, the semi-finals. She's so good right now. Jamaica, you have a star on your hands. In whatever way possible, I've been having fun with the interview so far. And I mean, we have social media, thank God. It's not, even though the stands were empty, I mean, that this win is still an amazing win. Big up my Twitter peeps. Yeah, I mean, I was just relieved. I was relieved because I came out here wanting to produce a lifetime best. I didn't get that much, but I came close to it, and for that I'm grateful. Yeah, just really, really grateful.
Have you already spoken to Matthew since?
No, I haven't. I don't even know if he's conscious right now. Hopefully he is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome, guys.